So in order for you to edit this mockup, click on this drop down icon and hit on this little icon here. So hide this layer and let's bring in our logo. So after importing your logo, just make sure you scale it up properly, and the alignment also make sure is well aligned. So when you're done, you click enter and press Ctrl S to save. So let's go back to the initial mockup and let's see the result. Wow, this is looking good. So let's try one more example, then we are done. So for this business card, hit on this drop down icon and also click on this icon here. Let's import our business card image. Scale it up properly and press enter when you're done. Now hit Ctrl S to save. Now let's see the result we have from this. Wow, this is looking sweet. So guys, that should be all for today. If you found this video helpful, please do well to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet a subscriber, and also feel free to comment. Tell me what you want me to upload next, and I'll see how I can serve you guys better. So that should be all for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay creative.